What's good? I am going to do Still Holding On acapella. They said I wouldn't make it. They said I wouldn't be here today. They said I never amount to anything. But I'm glad to say that I'm on my way, and I'm going more and more each day. For there were many that started out with me, but now they've gone astray. But I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on to